put it there so it's high, so the water can't get anywhere. 10, 2, 3. When you are not an operator, this is the kind of thing you gotta deal with. And welcome back to another video Trucking UK. Right now, guys, I'm getting tipped. I drove all the way from Besco to Bradford to be able to drop one of the cargoes that we got in the trailer last night. But it's been a really busy week. I've not been able to record, but this is what we got today. All right, the trailer's done. Just reset it back before we get it on the road. Yeah, let's do this. So, pull forward now. Probably forward off the ramp, and then we reset the trailer again back to what it was. It should be all right here. All right, I think I should close the door first. Jesus, what a heavy door. So this trailer. All right, let's pull it forward. Ooh. Let's see. Yes, so number 3 for that. Brakes off, pull my hands back out. And the reason why you pull it back out is because this pin sometimes comes off. And if that falls off, that's it. End game. Obviously, don't drop it. Go, let's get out of here, lads. All right, let's go. Yes. Okay, this is 1 or 2 for today, and now because we got a lot of time to play with, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our way to Telford. So first we'll go to the docks, obviously, and then we make our way from there. Alright, we're here now, so drop the box, collect the other one, and then straight to the dock. I am really badly parked there, but it's gonna have to do for now. Look. Another look. Just waiting for the guy to come around. Takes a reg, take their box number, and then you give them the other box number, so when they take that one off they don't have to ask too many questions other than a different box, and then you get it. But lucky me, look at that, it's gone. So we just push forward now. Let's just check this. Okay, I take that off, and then I'm gonna try to redo it because it's hanging out quite bad, that, to be honest. I don't want that. All right, I might stick you and one of them and see what it looks like from the back, so we have a look at that. All right, I already all the lockers on, and I hope you enjoyed that little bit at the back. It wasn't much anyway, and the camera went off for some reason after 2 minutes, but we're gonna get going now to the docks and drop this box, and then we're gonna get going from there. Be able to go there. Oh. It's in a double yellow line, so taxis can park in a double yellow line or something like that. They got privilege or something. All right, straight to the docks now. 90 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour to keep everyone happy around there. Yes. Let's do the container. Somebody mentioned to raise the suspension before they drop it. All I gotta do is just raise it up because they drop in the box quite hard, and then I put all the axle down as well. This is my favorite part. I'm never gonna get like tired of this. It's like that big thing up there. He's driving it from that. Whoa. All right, push forward the lockers and on away we go. Yeah. So by getting this done right now, I mean like getting there, getting tape, driving back and collecting another box and taking it back to the yard, it means that I will secure a job for Tuesday. So securing that job for Tuesday, I will be ahead of schedule, and that is what you're meant to do. You don't want to come to the docks and getting out of here empty-handed. That is one of the main things I've been told by Tinsley. So anything that I just take it in. All right, I just remember now that we've been here before when I did stay overnight just outside here. So what I'm gonna do tonight is get in there. Hopefully we'll be done by 6, and that means that we'll be able to get to the docks before 6 tomorrow morning. I'm just praying they'll be like, yeah, just go in that way, do that, and should be all right straight after that though. Pretty sure you gotta go over that thing to be able to get that. That should be all right there anyway. Me knowing my luck, they will be like, yeah, we've been waiting for this, so. All right, yeah, they're gonna accept the delivery now, bay 4. Just need the keys and open the back door to get the paperwork. So hand it over to them, and hopefully I get in the bay straight away. Right, close. There you go. That'll be all right for now. We only moving to bay 4 anyway. And they put the keys on this. Show you how it works now. I am the luckiest guy on earth. It's just like I walked out and then started raining. So anyway, we're getting in that bay over there, get in the truck, pull forward, open the doors, and then just stay in that bay. Last time they did tip me quite fast. Hopefully today is gonna be the same. Wow, you just go dark out of nowhere. Trainer bay. That's what I didn't want to do. They want to get their head so hard. Anyway, that's it. Show you how this is working now. So let's go and do that. Let's go. And for my luck, it's just pissing down. Right, bay 4. So your key's attached to this, which you won't be able to get it out if you don't got the keys or the cutter, which you probably won't have. And what you do with it is you put them in here, and when you turn it, it goes red straight away. So to cover your keys from getting wet and damaged, what I do is I normally just put it there so it's high, so the water can't get anywhere. So put that in there because I don't want it to get wet. That's it. So that's all done that. So right now I'm in that bay and everything is done, so happy days. Just wait now. Let's see how long it takes. It is 5:15 bang on right now, so let's see what happens. All right, we're in tip now. So basically I got the keys now and they're going to take it off and they're going to sign this paperwork, and then I'll be able to go and pack up. I think we'll be able to be packed up by 6, so that gives me a little bit of leverage to get out of here and get up early tomorrow and get going. Can I be able to get a signature or a stamp on this one? One thing I like about this place is, well, it's many things. They're very nice in the office, they tip me quick, and they get me in the bay straight away every time. So what else can you ask? And then I got my paperwork ready to go. Gonna have to pull all the way, pretty much all the way forward to be able to get that door open. Okay. All right, time to find somewhere to park. Let's go. Look at that. I didn't even press anything. They just opened it for me. How good. Is it going green? Yeah. So I stayed there last time. So right there or over there was one of them that I did stay. You know what? I'm just gonna do it behind this guy here. Yeah, he's going to bed. So yeah, it looks alright there actually. Hopefully it's gonna be quiet. All right, a bit close, a bit close. Yeah, that should do me. Come on. All right. So right now I'm gonna stay in here. All I'm gonna do now is just close my curtains. All right. Okay, that should do. If you're wondering, or you wonder where I sleep up here. I used to sleep down there, but now I sleep up here. This is where I'm gonna sleep. A lot of people think like, oh, why you sleep in the top bunker? You got a bottom bunker. Man, look at the shape of it. I slept on that for 2.5 years with having this problem. Do you see this? That's a problem that to me. Look in here, straight flat, and it's so much comfier sleeping up here, you won't believe it. It don't matter what you said to me, sleeping up there is the best sleep I had in my entire life that I've been, well, not life, since I started trucking. Up here, it's been the comfiest. It's time to get in bed now, isn't it? It's time for me to get to bed now, to be honest. I'm knackered. Morning, guys. It's dead early now. It is. I'm feeling it today. 8 hours and 10 minutes I slept. Ooh, it is 10 to 3 to get set up for Tuesday. Nothing better in life than making your bed. So, and because it's up there, it's away. Worry about like sitting on it or putting it away now. It's there. So next time when I go in it, it's nice and made. It's good. It's just clean sheets, which I just put yesterday. So that is the main thing. And it's a bit cold out there. I'm gonna go just out in a t-shirt. Don't wanna catch a cold. You got a big light, because it is 3:10, and then I need to go and check this truck, and then I need one of this because it's pretty dark. So go and have a look at it. So got all these tires. Them tires needs to be like spot on. So I do my shakes properly and come back in a minute after I've done all this. Let's go. Yeah, it's a bit dark. Like I said before, it's 3:15. So I just started my shift now. I must say that was a really good 8.5 hours sleep, because I came in yesterday and after I'd done everything I had like 8.5 hours to do, which is pretty impressive as well. So the port goes to 6, so hopefully when I get in there they'll be like, yeah, come on, go through, get your box and get out. So that is all I want. Hopefully that is what's gonna happen. So morning, mate. Is it closed already? Sorry? Is it closed? Yes, please. I thought they say they close at 6. Alright, okay. So they're waiting for, there's still people working there?
There were still people there after a couple of minutes ago. Someone's just literally radioed me then.
Alright, okay.
So if you want to go over there and see if you can grab someone,
yeah,
just to cover yourself,
yeah,
because they've had a few people coming in since the gates have been shut.
Alright.
Anyone else after yourself is just going to have to get turned around, you know what I mean?
I'm going ask now. Okay, amazing. I'm here now, but I don't know if they're gonna assist me. One of the guys said to go to the customer service and then we might be able to get a box, but everything's just shut down. No luck, we just got turned around. Alright, just finished. Gonna have to go tomorrow and get that box. What I pay. Need to get the keys as well. Yeah, let's go, Joe. And now we're gonna go and get that container that we were meant to get yesterday, but we're getting it today. But it's a Saturday, but when you're an operator, this is the kind of thing you gotta deal with. So I'm gonna drive there and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna park right here again. Stay tuned. Let's just go and collect that container and come back, okay? We made it to the port. Let's just take this lockers off. So we're collecting a 20, so we want to pull in, take this box off, and then pull out, and then get the 20 pins up. After that, should be ready to go actually. Let's get this box off. Forward now and change the lockers. Alright, we got the 20 on, so get back on. Come on, mommy. Lockers again. So basically we're just gonna pack where we were earlier, but because I'm in front of that other trailer, I'm just gonna fold my hands, and then when I come back on Monday, I just flip it back out, so we got a little bit of space, just to prevent anything happen. In front of that trailer we're gonna go, you know, they're saying Tinsley or the one. So when we close, you just let me know. I put the window down, just shout. All right, let's get him. Just on time. Should do for now actually, that's alright. Time to finish. Tires, so I need to know the dimension and what they actually add on and all that, so end of the chip and measure it with this. So this one is 9 mils, 5 mils, 11 mils. Every single tire's got different, and then I did the trailers as well. The trailers got 14 mils. That's pretty good. All right, that's the end of this video. Leave the truck here, take a couple of days off, and then we'll be back in here. Guys, thank you for this subscribing. Sorry about that, I forgot to lock it, but always let me know if I don't lock in the keys, like a little bit too far away from it. But anyway, thank you for subscribing, liking and all that kind of stuff, and I will see you in the next video, Trucking UK. And I got all this rubbish as well to take with me, so catch you later. Cheers guys.